Mirage. Mirage has two hand positions that the left hand continues to move between. We start with finger 5 on G and finger 1 on D. Then we move 1/2 step higher to A flat and E flat. So that would come down to the piano and look like this. So all the way through the song, the left hand is switching between the G and the A flat, the G and the A flat, the G, and then we have something new. In this section right here, you will see that we're staying in G major all the way through the measure. Then we have the right hand, which stays in G major but plays this little melody, and the left hand moves to the A flat. It repeats on the next measure with everything in G, and then the left hand moves to the A flat as the right hand plays the little melody. Things really change though when we get to measure 19. Instead of the G, we have an F chord. So everything we're doing is going to shift, and here's a G flat chord. So you would actually then be playing, and then the 1/2 step higher, the G flat and the D flat. So the pattern stays the same until measure 23, and we go back to G and A flat. So the right hand is pretty comfortable. It gets to stay in the G position the entire time except for the last little bit. Now I'm holding the phone, so I'm going to put it on the stand so you can see what's happening on this last little bit. In the last couple of measures, starting in measure 27, instead of the left hand shifting between the G and the A flat, we're going to have two hands. So the left hand is going to be playing the G chord, and the right hand is going to go over the top of the left and play the A flat and the E flat. So in measure 27, we actually play left, left, right, right, and then we shift up an octave, left, left, right, right, and then we shift up an octave. Now I'm out of the position, so I'm going to move back down so that you can see what actually happens. It's up here in the treble clef, but I'm going to demonstrate. Measure 28 just plays the left hand 2 notes, and then the right hand 2 notes, back and forth. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And at the beginning of measure 27 on the last line, it does say, there's words there that say prepare, right hand over the left hand. So your hands are going to be almost on top of each other, and you can hold down the pedal. Okay, I'm going to move the camera up a little bit so you can see that ending part. Okay, so here is the ending part with a slightly different view on the piano. We have measure 27, the last line, and we have left, right, left, right, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. It does say rit in measure 28, which means ritardando, a slowing down. If we play the whole thing, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and off. So it's kind of a fun ending where the right hand gets to get involved with that change between these two sounds. Okay, I think you can see on this, I'm going to start now at measure 15. It's the last measure on the first page to show you that we have the left in the G and then the left hand crosses it over to play this G up here, and then the right hand plays. Can you practice that? Okay, that's going to happen again in measure 17. Then measure 16, the left hand comes back down to this A flat and E flat. Now is where we change to the F pattern. Long, long. Okay, so we're in super slow mode. If you're playing the beginning with this tempo, then this middle section starting at 15 needs to have the same tempo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can hear that's really tricky, even though I didn't land solid on that. It's tricky to get this quickly. And it all blurs together. And off. Hope that helps you play this piece. Have fun.